Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can log in to your Disney Hotstar on your TCL Smart TV. So on your Smart TV, you can simply go to the Play Store to download your Disney Hotstar application. So as you can see, I've already downloaded it, but you can easily download it in your Google Play Store. So you can go to the Google Play Store, and from here on, you can search for Disney Hotstar and install the application on your Google Play Store. And once the application is installed, you can open the Disney Hotstar application. So to sign up, to log into your Disney Hotstar application, you can either type in your cell phone number or you can scan a QR code on your cell phone to log into your Disney Hotstar. So this is how you can log into your Disney Hotstar. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.